gift from Influencer called the Jingle Box. Oh my goodness, look. Let's go see this. Jingle Box. With all the information. Look at Olaf, he's so cute. Hi Olaf, hello. We have, ooh, what is this? NYC, look at that. City Proof, it's an eyeliner. We have Cetaphil, moisturizing cream. Can't wait to use that. Wow, look at this. Perfect for New Year's Eve. Pure ice. Biscoff. I love these cookies. They're so good. 1, 2, and 3 of those. Coupon for Frio Rida tater tots. Yum. And we have Kiss. Look at that. True Volume. Those look so full and beautiful. And then we have the lash adhesive. You see it's made with aloe, so it's great for eyelashes. That's all we have today. Wonderful products. I can't wait to start using. Thank you, Influencer.